guys, it's Kelly. How are you? Welcome back to the channel and to today's video. As you can see, we're in the lounge room, which has everything dumped in here, including the Christmas tree that's still here from Christmas. So yes, we have a lot of things to do today, so let's get started. So as I said, our lounge room becomes a bit of a dumping ground. We rarely use our front door and we rarely have visitors, so everything just kind of gets dumped in the lounge room. As other parts of the house get clean and decluttered, things get moved in here for a holding space, and then they don't ending up back where they go. There are some things that I need to really put in the shed, but that is also a complete nightmare as well, and I'm just so worried of what's in the shed. I hate going in there. So yes, I'm trying to keep things sort of a bit more organized, but yeah, it gets ahead of me. Here I am just folding up all of the washing. Kira uses these clothes horses inside the house. She doesn't like the texture of pegs, so doesn't hang her clothes outside, so we'll put them inside. And also we have the heater there, so we can use that to dry clothes. We don't own a dryer, we don't have the space, and also it just sucks a lot of power, so it's just easier for us to dry clothes on the horse. So yes, our lounge room looks a bit like a Chinese laundry some days, but it is what it is. And of course, now that I've just hung all that washing away, I've done a load of towels, so now I need to hang them up and dry them. And then that nearly did me for the day, because I then was out of space recording where I wanted to go. This bookcase has been bugging me for ages, and although all of these books have been read at some stage, yes, dust, look. Hello. Yes, so I really needed to wanted to keep this area clean, and so I'm just dusting and cleaning everything here. I've just got a method cleaner that's here with a microfiber cloth to get all the dust off, and yeah, and then reorganize the bookshelf. So I will leave you to it and you can enjoy this clip. So we've doubled up on 2 books, so one can go to the op shop. We're also getting rid of our French, English, Spanish and French dictionaries. We have the internet now, and also there's many apps that you can download for free that help you with your speech and sound. You know, when you can see on the edge of the bookcase some dust and a few cobwebs, that is probably not going to look the best. So I bravely climbed a ladder, and oh my god, it wasn't as bad as I was expecting. At least there's nothing dead up there, but yeah, it's pretty dusty. So grabbed the good old Dyson and we're going to give it a bit of a clean and a wipe over. Of course, now that I've got the Dyson in my hand, I'm getting keen to do all the other little bits and pieces, even though I should just do all the floor at the same time. When you see a little bit of dirt on the skirting board, you want to clean it up. And I'm also noticing now that my skirting boards are completely dirty and really need to be cleaned. And of course, now I'm just going around all the other little nooks and crannies that you can find in cleaning, so which I will no doubt have to go back over again anyway when I do some other cleaning. But you know, when in Rome, when your Dyson is in your hand, off you go. So I'm moving over to the other part of the lounge room now. This is our inbuilt heater that we have, and of course here is all our duck collection, and this of course is completely dusty, so giving this a bit of a clean over and just rearranging a few bits and pieces. And I also want to clean the heater as well. So yes, Kira got these gorgeous paintings from an op shop, so someone's made them. They're very beautiful, so we just have them there. And then our collection of ducks. So if you know us, you'll know about the ducks, and if you don't, you can search James Beach on YouTube. So we have these beautiful candle holders as well that we got when we got married, and so although we don't use them, I just love them sitting there on the mantelpiece, so I leave them there for decoration. Moving down to the actual part of the heater now, and this is completely dusty, so I'm just going to give it a clean the best that I can. I know that the grill comes out, which I'll pull it out in a second to show you, and there was just full of dust, so at least the Dyson picked up most of that and I could just give it a bit of a polish over. I wasn't sure sort of how this whole thing works. I just was cleaning what I felt that we could smell when it was on, or cleaning it. And yeah, we probably ideally would love to get rid of the heater in general. It only works when it's on full bore, so it needs to be serviced, but yeah, I just leave it. Then I discovered down the bottom that there was a filter, and oh, there's a lot of dirt and dust. So yeah, I'm going to clean that in a second, wash it off, get rid of it. Didn't want to suck up all of it in the vacuum cleaner, so put the rest in the bin. And then I discovered that there was this paneling that can come undone, and I figured, oh, there'll be lots of dirt in there, and then pulled that off, and then discovered that I don't think that I should have pulled that off because of what I found in there, and I will just leave that for you to check out. Oh my God, Jimmy!
I got half of it.
Do you need a toothbrush or something?
No. What are you screaming about? That was.
I can't look.
There was a. Anything that's left is dust.
What? What?
There was a Holocaust stick or something.
Yeah. No. So after about 10 minutes of having a massive panic attack that, you know, this completely dead and decayed skeleton is coming to get me, I decided that I need to put the paneling back on the heater because I don't want the ghost of the dead mouse coming to get me. I just was completely freaked out. So yes, and I couldn't get it on, which was making me panic even more, so I had to call Jeremy in to help me because he is the king of DIY and fixing or putting things back together that I've pulled apart. So on the next heater, I'm not going to pull that part because I don't want to know what's inside that heater. And yeah, I'm now going to have myself another panic attack in the corner of what could else have been in there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you are very good with dead mice or whatnot. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.